For this exercise, you're doing what's called a bird dog, which is in a quadruped position on all fours. You're gonna raise the opposite arm and leg, hold for 5 seconds, relax them down, and then alternate sides. When you're doing this, be sure that your core is straight and your belly button is pulled in towards your spine. You don't want to see your back go down towards the floor. Also make sure that you keep your hips level. As your leg goes up, don't allow your trunk to twist. Keep everything straight.